Hans Guth again with ListingsMagic, and this is the second video in the Getting Started series. And this video is going to really step you through a very simple process, the account setup, as well as what are called the account defaults or marketing defaults. And so, every thing works properly in our system when all of those pieces are set up properly and in place properly. And so in order for, in particular, our automated solution to work, we need all the proper credentials and connections to be set up in place. So we'll step you through that here initially and walk you through what that looks like. So to get to the account area, the edit account area, you're just going to hover over the account tab in the menu area and then click on edit account information. So it's pretty straightforward. And so we'll skip these first two. We'll come back to those at another point in time, but you just want to double check all of your main information. And so your first name, your last name, the account email that you use to log in. If you want to use a display email, you want to put in a different email address, use one for logging in and then display one that's different. You can put that in there as well. You can update your password if you want to change your password from here as well. Obviously, all of these are pretty self-explanatory. Your website, here's an area where you can put in your agent bio that will include in the virtual tours as well as an agent video. So if you've got a video of you on YouTube that you've recorded that you want to include as part of your marketing inside of your tours and your property tours, you can include that as well. If you have a personal Facebook page, you can set that up there. You can also connect to Facebook through the Facebook integration. Zapier is a little more advanced tool that's for CRMs and connecting your leads to various CRM packages. So we're not going to go through that in this video. That'll be a future video that you can search for and find as well. If this is an option, if you're one of our Office subscribers, we have the ability to share, if that's the right word, Office listings amongst various Facebook pages. So if you're okay with your listings being shared by other agents, which is really valuable because you'll get more tour views and more statistics to share with your sellers, you would leave that to yes or set that to yes. And then you would go through and put all of these other URLs in place. You also have the ability to put in a mobile application. So if you have a mobile app that you want people to install, we'll reference that at points along the way. And then here are a couple of the important ones that we really want to make sure you set up properly. Your agent ID, the MLS region, and your office ID. These are the ones that we use to pull in properties that are part of the MLS. So we're able to basically, I call it triangulate and find those listings that belong to you and build those into our system without you having to do anything behind the scenes. So you want to take a look at that and make sure that those are set. If they're not set properly, update those as well. If you're in more than one MLS, you can do a second MLS as well. And then if you don't like your photo, or if it's not there, or don't like your logo, or it's not there, you can update that. And then once you're done, you click on update, and that's going to update all of the fields above. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we're going to go into the marketing defaults and step you through what those are going to do for you and for your account. Thanks for watching.